In this lesson, we are going to learn how to express fractions which have powers of 10 as their denominators in decimals. So in doing that, what we have to do first is count or note the number of zeros in the denominator and locate the decimal point backwards equal to the number of zeros. Let's look at what we mean by that. In the first example, we have 1 out of 10. 1 here is a whole number from our place value chart. If you want to place a decimal point in this whole number 1, then the decimal point will come after the 1 like this and not before it, because this one is in the units column and not the tenths column. So how many zeros do we have in the denominator? 1 0. Hence we are going to move this backwards and place the decimal point here. Since there is no number before the decimal point, we write 0 to make the number 0.1, because we can't just write 0.1, wouldn't make sense. Therefore the number becomes 0.1. I believe this is simple. Let's look at the next example. We have 2 out of 10. It ends in 1 0, or it has only 1 0 in the denominator. Hence we are moving the decimal point from behind the 2 backwards 1. We put 0 here, then it becomes 0.2. Let's look at the third one. We have 5 out of 100. How many zeros do we have in the denominator? 2. So we are going to move the decimal point twice to the left. 1, 2, then we bring our point here. Since there is an empty space, we put 0 here, then it becomes 0.05. Let's look at the fourth one also. We have 2 zeros here, so let's move that 1, 2 point. We bring 0 here, then we have 0.37. The last one, we have 48 out of 10. 1 0, hence we move it just once here. The decimal point comes here, then the number becomes 4.8. So this is how we express fractions with powers of 10 in their denominator as decimal. You can jot this into your notebooks, then we continue with an exercise.